ventral root, dorsal ganglia, and this is ganglion of the sympathetic nervous system, contains part of the autonomic nervous system. When they enter through gray ramus. When they leave, through white ramus. These nerves may go upward or downward. That's why they form a chain. We call it sympathetic chain. This is the same thing to show that sensory neurons transmit impulse toward the CNS, motor neurons away from CNS. They are connected via interneurons. Not only that, the left part of the spinal cord is connected with the right part of the spinal cord. The purpose of that is because the left part of our CNS controls the right part of the body, vice versa. Then we were discussing about this one. One spinal nerve protected by 3 protective structures: inurium, perinurium, endonurium. It is the outer one covering the whole nerve. Perinurium protecting a given bundle of axons or nerve fibers. Each axon or nerve fiber in turn is protected by endonurium. It's after this, deep to this, you see myelin sheath covering the axon. Okay, and this is general arrangement of a given spinal nerve. This is a more elaborate covering. Just take this motor neuron or this sensory neuron. You see, it's contained inside a given fasciculus. It's an axon or a nerve fiber. A given fasciculus or bundle of axons is protected by perinurium. Many bundles together protected by epinurium. But if you take out this axon, it's protected by endonurium. You can see this one, endonurium. Myelin sheath, sorry. You see a sheath, a white covering, pale-like covering, protecting the whole axon. It may have many layers. And this is formed by supporting cells. In this case, these glial cells or supporting cells are called Schwann cells. Schwann. If it is in the CNS, myelin-forming cells are called Schwann cells. They don't form synapses or they don't communicate. Rather, they protect neurons. In this case, if they form a myelin sheath in the CNS, Schwann cells form protective structures in the peripheral nervous system. So, deep to this myelin sheath, there is a membrane of the axon itself. It has a membrane. Okay? The membrane, for example, this is a membrane. Then you have connected to the skin or glands, in this case, connected to a muscle fiber. This is neuromuscular junction. In earlier, the protective structure of the spinal cord is the vertebral column or vertebrae. Yes? 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 Shall I go?
ሪከርድ እየተደረገ አይደለም
ወይ ለብቻ ሪኮርድ አድርጌ ሰጣችኋለሁ። ምንድን ነው የሚሻለው?
እንደ ቀደሙ ሪካርዱን ግን ማስጨመር አይቻልም።
ደግሞ የለንማ ቢያቆምም anyway I have to finish this one. Okay, ያላችሁ ተማሪዎች ቀስ ብላችሁ ስሙ። እሺ በእምነት ያ ሚኒማይዝ የሆነችው ላይ አይደል አለኳት። ምንም ኦኬ ሚውት ስታርት ሪቪው የሚለውን ስታርት ቪዲዮ የሚለውን ልንካ ሼር ላይፍ How about now? Yes?
Hello, እኛ ሪከርድ እያደረግን ነው።
እንደዛ ምንም ካወቃችሁ ማድረግ ትችሉ እኮ ነበረ።
አይ እኛም ሪከርድ እያደረግን ነው። እኛ ራሳችን እንሰራለን። እንቀጥል። ያ
So these structures protect the spinal cord just like the brain, bones, dura mater, outer protective dura, arachnoid. Yeah, their arrangement is the same. The only exception is that the dura mater has single layer, not dual layers, or it's not made up of two layers. In the subarachnoid space, there are fluids circulating. This is the protective structure again, dura mater, arachnoid, and closest to the spinal cord substance, there is pia. So the only difference, you don't see the second layer of dura mater. Otherwise, they have the same function. The fluid has also the same function. So the peripheral nervous system, if you look at this diagram, this is divided into two. Peripheral going to the skin or periphery of the body, autonomic and somatic. This means autonomic nervous system, one over the other controls parts of the body which are not in the direct conscious control of the CNS. They are not like internal organs. You cannot control your heart, stomach, liver, or whatever. You can't. But the brain controls it indirectly. So parts of the body are not under the direct conscious control of the brain, are controlled by the autonomic nervous system. And we divide them into two, sympathetic and parasympathetic. parasympathetic and sympathetic. We'll see the difference later. For now, the other part of the peripheral nervous system, somatic. You can control consciously your limb, your trunk, and so on and so forth, where you have a skeleton and muscles. So cranial nerves and spinal nerves are part of the somatic nervous system. Both of them, this autonomic nervous system and somatic nervous system, go away from the CNS. That's why they are part of peripheral nervous system. Here you have sympathetic and parasympathetic nerves. Here you have somatic nervous system, which is made up of spinal nerves, which are 31 pairs, and cranial nerves, which are 12 pairs. We'll see them one by one later. Let's look at the peripheral. The whole CNS, brain, and the spinal cord. Okay, sensory nerves going toward the CNS from the nose, the eye, the ear, taste buds, skin, and so on and so forth. They may be or motor nerves going away from the CNS, the salivary glands, smooth muscle, skeletal muscle, and so on and so forth. Whatever the case, these are parts of the peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system. They can be afferent neurons or efferent neurons. One of them goes to the CNS, the other way, the other away from the CNS. The peripheral nervous system, again, would be impulse transmission from interior of the body through autonomic nervous system or from muscles and the skeleton, somatic. So when we say peripheral nervous system, let's start from the larger ones, cranial nerves and spinal nerves. Cranial nerves originate from the brain. Spinal nerves originate from the spinal cord. Simply. Connected to the brain, you have 12 cranial nerves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is, by the way, the inferior aspect of the brain, or you can take it as ventral side of the brain. Let's go back again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We'll see each of them one by one. If you take this one as medium plane, just look at one side of the brain. This is the first cranial nerve, olfactory nerve. The second cranial nerve, optic nerve. The third cranial nerve, oculomotor. The fourth cranial nerve, trochlear. By the way, they are numbered using Roman numerals, trochlear. So the fourth one, trochlear. The fifth one, trigeminal. The sixth one, abducent. The seventh one, this one, by the way, seventh one is fascial nerve. Eighth, vestibulocochlear. Ninth, glossopharyngeal. tens, Vegas, 12s, tens, Vegas, 11s, accessory nerve, and the 12s one.
ሄሎ ሄሎ ሁላችሁም እንጠብቅ የእሳቸው ኔትወርክ እስኪሰራ ድረስ በ10 ደቂቃ ውስጥ አመሰግናለሁ።